I am the nutrition counselor and direct seller Mr. Alim. Sale. What is the sale? Sale is the unique profession. Selling is the power of the world. To be a salesman, you can achieve each and everything. To know the power of sale, we have to focus on the selling skills. Sales is a professional. Without selling, you can't become rich. You have to sell yourself, your challenge, your skill, your thought, product. Each and every man is a salesman. But the Indian peoples and Indian mentality not ready to accept to be a salesman. They feel guilty being a salesman. If ask someone, are you ready to be a seller some products? Oh no, I'm not interested. Why? Why you are not interested in selling? Look toward the China. The China making the business in 165 countries around the globe. Sales is the unique platform which can give the job to the every hand. चाइना आज दुनिया का सबसे ताकतवर मुल्क बना है. बुनियाद उसका सेल है. The people of the China feel proud to be a salesman. Or Indian people feel guilty. They are not interested in selling. This is the problem. This is the big problem in front of the India. We have to set such education system that will develop the attitude of the selling. Selling is a very important for every man. Every man is selling something and earning. Without selling, you can't earn. If you want to earn, we have to sell something. You go to any profession, we think about any profession. When you think about any profession, each and every man is selling something. Someone is selling their skill, their talent, products, service, all belong to the sale. But not accepting is the problem. स्वीकार करना पड़ेगा. हम स्वीकार कर नहीं रहे हैं. हम बेच रहे हैं मगर स्वीकार नहीं कर रहे, इसलिए हम पीछे हैं. हमें स्वीकार करना पड़ेगा कि हम सेल्समैन हैं. और हम जब स्वीकार कर लेंगे, हम फील कर लेंगे प्राउड टू बी अ सेल्समैन, देन all the problem will be solved. चाइना आज 165 देशों में अपना बिजनेस कर रही है ड्यू टू ओनली सेल. दे फील प्राउड टू बी अ सेल्समैन. दिस इज द डिफरेंट ऑफ द थिंकिंग. पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग leads your life and negative thinking distract, take on back foot. So always be positive, think positive, build positive attitude. It will give you a best life. स्वीकार करो. स्वीकार करने की क्षमता को बढ़ाओ. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe this channel for the future videos. Thank you. God bless you. Stay healthy, eat healthy.